how to transfer Pi coin in OKX Wallet. So to get started, what you're going to do first is to open your OKX app. Now select deposit and then input PI, wherein you can find your own PI deposit address, usually start with M. And then after that, open your Pi browser and then click on Wallet. After clicking on Wallet, input your passphrase to unlock your Pi wallet. And then, after that, click on Pay or Request to transfer your token. And then after transferring your token, you can select Manually Add Wallet Address and then input your OKX Pi deposit address into wallet address. No need memo, click on Send. Next, hit on Confirm, and then after that, your PI will be sent to your OKX account. And that is how you transfer PI coin in OKX Wallet.